What looks like a quiet moment in the trees is actually one of nature's most important roles. High above the Florida treetops, a red-tailed hawk pauses on a branch. Calm, focused, and patient. This powerful raptor isn't hunting for sport. It's surviving. Every movement, every feather, is shaped by nature's balance, where predators play a vital role in keeping ecosystems healthy. Moments like this may feel intense, but they remind us that the wild follows its own rules, ancient, necessary, and precise. In Florida skies, the red-tailed hawk isn't just a hunter. It's a guardian of balance in the natural world. In one silent moment, the wild reminds us, every creature has a purpose. This is wild Florida. Raw, real, perfectly balanced.